Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about our new topic that is the date function. Okay, how date function will work in our MySQL. Okay, now if you want to get the current date and time, okay, current date and time, if you want to use, then we can use for select, and there is a method called now. Okay. Now function it will return for today date and time. Okay, what time it is there and everything it will be provided. Okay. Now you want only for current date. You want for current date. You don't for time. Then you can use for CUR. Okay, CUR date. Okay. This function will return for current date. Okay. And if you need for another method means select current. See, current underscore date. This also work the same format. Both are same. Okay. No difference. Both are same. See, both methods are different. Sorry, same. And you need for current time. You don't want for date. That moment you can use for current time. Okay. This function it will return for time. Today, what time it is happen. Okay. The same format we have another method for time getting, that is the current timestamp. Timestamp is there, current time is there. Okay, both the things are same. See, now it is written for time. Okay, timestamp also it is like timestamp it will return for all the things. Okay, how it will be timestamp is written, we can see current timestamp. Okay, now you can see date with the time. Both the things it will return current date and current time, and now and current timestamp both are same. Okay, like this we can able to get the time related things. Okay, if you need for something you want to get that you need to you provided from user join date uh 2011 and 7/7 he joined. Okay, in this you want to extract the year. Okay, you need to extract the year. Then how you can able to do, there is a method called year. Okay, this functionality what happen, it will return for year. Okay, 2014. Okay, and here I'm going to use for 12 and 14 is the time stamp. Okay, and this particular date we need to get the year. Okay, 2014. Okay, this is the year it is written. Similar format we have a function called a method. Okay, a month field. Okay, you want to extract the month. Okay, you can able to get the month. Okay, you want to get the month name, that also we can able to get. Okay, and there is a day of month also there, and month year, what type month is there, and everything it is there, we can able to get that also. Okay, we'll see that as well. And if you want to get the day, we get the year and we get the month, and now we are going to get the date. Okay, now I'm going to get the date. Oh, sorry, it is not the date, it is the day. Date is basically it will give the date, and day it will return the which date it is there. Okay, 14. Okay, like this we can able to get the date. Okay, and even if you want to get the hours, you can, we have for hour, and if you have the minute, you can able to get the minutes as well. If you provide the hours, minutes and seconds, in that also it will extract and it will provide. There is a methods we have. Okay, we'll see for that as well. For hours, we can able to see for hour. Similar format we have for select, minute or min or anything. Okay, both are same. Okay, select second. Okay, now I'm providing for here a single quotation and here 12 colon 54 colon sorry colon 12 40. Okay, now I provided for this is my times. Okay, in that one by one we'll see. And now I'm going to hours, see hour 12 hours. Okay, and if you want for minutes it will extract the minutes and it will provide the minutes. Okay, and the seconds it will get the seconds. Okay, how many seconds and all it will return for that as well. Okay, if you want for if you provide something day, now this is the one, right? I'm going to, now you got the day week you want. Okay, we have a method called day of week. Okay, this will return for the day of week, which one it is there, one. Okay, like this we can able to get it. Okay, and also we have for day of year, like this it will get, we can able to get. Okay, and week also it is there, and month name, if you want to get the month name, which month name it is there, and we can able to get the that as well. Okay, there is a method called a month name. Okay, for given date I want to get the month name, see December, like this we can able to get. If you want to get the uh, day name, which is the day name it is there today. Okay, day name, for what date it is there. Okay, I can see Sunday. Okay, like this we can able to get that all the things. Okay, we have so many things in that, and in this is all the things we have. And also you can able to see the intervals, subtracts dates are there, adding dates are there. Okay, what exactly that we can see that also. Okay, now he can see here, select day underscore add. Okay, day underscore add means here I'm going to use for 2024 12 and 14. Okay, this is mine. Okay, and after that I'm going to use for intervals. Okay, how many intervals you want to add? There is a seven day. Okay, and semicolon. Now you can execute. Now you can see after 14 7 days it is added. Okay, after 7 days added is a 21. Okay, like this we can able to add the date in a, how many days you want, you can able to update the dates in that particular location. Okay, even subtract is there, subtract is going to do for how many months you want to subtract, that many months we can able to subtract the months. Okay, now here we can able to use for date subtract. Okay, and here is basically interval, day place I'm going to use for month. Okay, day place I'm going to use for month. See now in the 12, if you do, remove the 7, it is a 5 days, it is fifth month. Okay, like this we can able to do for the month. Okay, we saw the date interval and we saw that month interval. Okay, like this we can able to use the day and month intervals. Okay, if you want to compare the two dates, okay, whether it is equal or not, that also we can able to do. Okay, how we can able to do? Select date difference. Okay, and here is 2024 and 12 and 14, and I'm going to use for here 2024 iPhone 12 iPhone 23. Okay, now if you do that, see -9, it is provide differentiation of that, and if you use for 14, 0 means it's a equal of value. In case if it is not equal, how much difference it is there, it will return the value. Okay, like this we can able to perform our entire date related stuff. Okay, and I hope it this entire information help for you. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.